Twin Rivers, we have a few programs. One of the most successful one is our food outlet, actually, that started about 25 years ago from the back of an esky and a man with a big heart. It is run by people that have a big heart for the community. They are assessed as such. And we also have students and trainees in to do some work experience as well. That food outlet really helps the community a lot, and we keep hearing that from the locals, because really your dollar is worth $3 there. Fresh produce, often for free. There is a lot to choose from. The staff is very friendly, it's very clean. We also have a care arm in Twin Rivers. We do traineeships and courses for people that have barriers to employment. And those barriers could be anything. It could be mental health, it could be disability, it could be refugees, for instance, or people with a criminal record. We reach people that normally don't go to services, even though they need to. So they could be people with undiagnosed mental health issues, people in severe domestic violence. We employ social workers and counsellors to provide a cushioning of support around them when they do their work experience here and also their training here. The training, we have a certificate too in hospitality. They create meals in a commercial kitchen here, and so it's very hands-on, and that creates a lovely bonding with each other and with the trainer and with the cook. And the meals they create are going to 2 homeless services and a school, so these people found it very purposeful. They often stay on beyond the course and they become very valued volunteers. Our main program where you guys become very much involved is our Hands Up program, and that name says it all already. We often say we don't do a hand out but a hand up. So it's really good to work with a corporate organization to then look at, okay, what can we together do for the community? The food parcels is very valuable to us, but we didn't have funding for that. And those food parcels will be given to people that may not quite fit the eligibility criteria that the government sets for us. It will really help them, and it goes easily beyond a week's worth of food. We also thought of lunches for school lunches and what have you, so all those ingredients are in there as your staff helped us do that. And the note that is added by your organization, that's an encouraging message, also makes it more than just a cold handout. This is, hey guys, we give you something, we care about you, and not only us, but there are other organizations that care as well, and they have provided this for you. We do everything for them to make them feel supported. So a big thank you from us.
Thank you.